This is a webinar co-sponsored by ITWeb and ServiceNow, and we're going to have two presenters here today who are going to look a bit more at how we modernize these areas using a concept called AI Ops or AI operations, as well as the whole platform ecosystem that stands behind that to make it work. Gartner predicts that 30% of large organizations will be using AI Ops within the next year. And the IDC, in its top 10 predictions for digital infrastructure report, says by 2026, 90% of G2000 CIOs will use AI Ops solutions. It's definitely a very, very big growing market. In fact, I was chatting to our guests just before this event, and they said there is a lot of demand for it. And the demand for it is because we have so much more on our plate today. We really benefit from automating processes. And then on top of that, support has really become a big issue for IT, especially with hybrid work, but just generally overall.
92% of companies are mature or advanced in their digital transformation. So there's your competitive angle. You could lose revenue and damage your brand. With 52% of companies take up to 3 hours to fix a service outage. 23% take 4 to 8 hours, and 7% actually take a day or more. Right? And we can't keep up with this pace, this rate of change. 93% of CEOs worry that the operating models can't keep up with the pace. When services and operation teams, tools, and data are siloed, IT service teams are not able to meet the increased number of requests coming from employees. Achieving digital-first growth starts by bringing your technology services and operations together. Now, by bringing them together, you can expand technology services whilst actually reducing costs. You're running off a single platform, a single architecture. Deliver extraordinary employee experience and resiliency, because it's a single portal, a single place to go, and drive technology best practices for optimized processes and maintaining governance across that platform, because we've got it on one platform. ServiceNow's approach to help you and your teams bring technology and operations together centers around modernizing, automating, and optimizing.
We have what we call experts on call. So by clicking on the experts on call button, we can then see who are the people with the right skill set to resolve this issue on the service. So the skills matrix can include things like service owners, as well as people with relevant skills. So if this was like a database issue, an Oracle issue, whatever it may be, you can get the right experts. Rather than having to get people into a physical room, we can create virtual war rooms using Teams and try to resolve faster. Okay, and then the information from the call as well as the chat can be pushed into the ServiceNow incidents as well. And all of that information then gets into the activity log.
Thank you very much. Have a great day further, and we'll see you soon. Thank you. Goodbye.